Why do 80% of millionaires live frugally? It might seem counterintuitive, but the reality is that many wealthy individuals have mastered the art of living below their means. They understand that financial success isn't just about how much you earn, but also about how much you save and invest wisely. Let's unlock their secrets to wealth without the hefty price tag. These strategies are not just for the rich. They can be applied by anyone looking to improve their financial situation. First, prioritize saving over spending. This might sound simple, but it requires discipline and a shift in mindset. It's all about putting aside a little bit every month. Even small amounts can add up over time, creating a substantial nest egg for the future. Think of it like planting a seed, small now, but it'll grow big over time. Next, invest wisely. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or require a lot of money. You don't need a lot of money to start. The key is to start early and be consistent. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns make investing easy and accessible. These platforms allow you to start with just a few dollars and gradually build your portfolio. Remember, consistency is key. Then, live below your means. This doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself of all pleasures, but it does mean making conscious choices about where your money goes. It's tempting to splurge, but keeping your expenses low can make a huge difference. Cook at home, plan your meals, and avoid unnecessary shopping sprees. Skip the daily $5 coffee and instead make your own at home. These small changes can lead to significant savings over time. And watch your savings grow. Finally, educate yourself. Financial literacy is a powerful tool that can help you make informed decisions about your money. Read books, watch videos, and attend seminars. There are countless resources available, many of which are free or low cost. And learn from those who've done it. Seek out mentors and experts who can provide guidance and share their experiences. Knowledge is power, and it doesn't cost much, if anything at all. Utilize your local library, online courses, and community resources to expand your financial knowledge. So there you have it. By following these simple yet effective strategies, you can achieve financial success without breaking the bank. Save, invest, live frugally, and keep learning. These habits, when practiced consistently, can lead to long-term financial stability and growth. You don't need a fortune to build one. Start with what you have and watch it grow over time. Start today and watch your wealth grow. The journey to financial success begins with a single step, and with dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals.